Hi, I'm Scott the Nature Guy, and today let's talk about birds. There's a lot of birds in your backyard. Let's see how many we can identify. Sometimes when you're trying to find wildlife, you walk around and look for them, but sometimes you want to just sit still and listen. Oh, there's a catbird. There's a woodpecker. There's a Cooper's hawk. There's a blue jay. There's a sparrow. And there's a robin. There's a northern cardinal. I think you'll be surprised how many different birds you can see and hear if you just sit and listen, no matter where you are. Why don't you go out and see how many different birds you can identify? Until next time, I'm Scott, the Nature Guy. There's another one.